Hello and welcome to those of you who are new to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing for replacement Greenworks blower, and to be exact it's the Brushless Blower Vac from their 40 volt line. It's 240 CFM, 185 miles per hour. That should be quite sufficient enough power to get small jobs done around the yard, as long as you're not using it commercially. This particular model has the variable speed dial, which comes in pretty handy for me when I'm doing the leaves. I want to kind of have the power gradually go down a little bit, and sometimes I want to have it turned all the way up. And this one, like many of their products, the 40 volt line is compatible with their other tools, and there's a 4-year warranty. And this package here is actually a lot smaller than the one I got. The one I got originally was a bigger package because it came with charger and battery, but here it says there's no charger or battery, which is fine because I have all that stuff already. With that said, let's kind of get straight into it. All right, so there it is. So this right here, that's for the vacuum suction funnel or whatever. Put that aside. There's the tube for the blower. Then you have the bag. Finally, the leaf blower itself. Like I mentioned, here's that dial. You can always crank this up and change the speed or the power, and there is a button to kind of speed things up. It's like a turbo mode. Alright, I know this is not necessarily a review, just an unboxing to see what you would get when you get the replacement. So there's no battery that comes with this. There's some instruction, there's instruction manual. I believe a little tube that makes the blower tube more concentrated, that's optional. And again, there's a 4-year warranty on this. And I've seen a lot of YouTube videos where people are asking, how do I fix this? How do I fix that? If it's giving you problems, all right, and there's a 4-year warranty, I wouldn't even waste time trying to fix something because you might void your warranty. If it's not a battery problem, then it's a tool problem, It's best just to get a replacement instead of trying to open it up or make an alteration and voiding your warranty.